We often get asked, what is the S&H Door Jig and how does it work? It's a tool for installing hardware on your cabinet doors. It comes with metric and standard inserts going from knob up to 6-inch and 160 millimeter sizes. So how does the S&H Door Jig work? Well, you see it's got these 3 pins here. We send you a couple of extras in case you lose any. You simply set your offsets using those pins. The door jig is used on both sides of the jig. So for doors hinged on this side, you use this side, and for doors hinged on the other side, you flip the jig around and achieve the same offsets with the same pin locations on the reverse side of the jig. As with the S&H Drawer Jig, we encourage you, when using the door jig, to place a piece of tape over the drilling insert before making your holes. That way you can clearly see your 0 hole and your spacer hole. This way you won't make any mistakes when you're going door to door, speeding through your kitchen install. If you have any more questions about the S&H Door Jig or the Drawer Jig, you want to see the Drawer Jig in action, check us out at shjigs.com.